YouTube. I'm just here coming to give you an update on Hurricane Harvey. It has surpassed what we thought it would be a 3 and has now turned into a Category 4 hurricane. This is a major event. They're talking wind speeds at topping out in certain locations at 156 mile an hour sustained. So you got to be looking at this is basically like a few hour long F2 tornado you have to roll through when you're right around the eye or the peak. And the F2 starts at, I believe it was approximately 117 mile an hour and goes up to 156 or one something. Let me take a quick look here. We have it right there. Let me see, an F2 113 to 157. And so you're basically saying everybody in the path of this is at least going to be feeling an F1 tornado for hours, and a lot of them are going to feel in an F2 significant damage, roof torn off houses, mobile homes demolished, boxcars overturned, large trees snapped, uprooted, high-rise windows broken and blown in, light object missiles generated. So we're talking some serious destruction, and then the wind speed that it's going to be bringing with it and all the rain. It's just torrential flooding. They're talking like 35 plus inches in some spots now. That is just crazy. Break out the canoes, the yachts, the whitewater rafts, whatever you have to do. But if you're not out of town, you better be expecting to float out of town. It's going to be a bad one. Now let's take a quick look and see what time we're looking for arrival. Friday, 8 p.m. It is already here and beating up the coastline. I expect total devastation in this circle right here. Pretty much everything underwater, flooded, destroyed. It's going to be pretty nasty. Let's see what the wind history is. There you are. And that turned into the Category 4 right here. That's the warning for probably the next 24 hours. Anybody in this area is going to get slammed. And let's see what the surface winds are, warnings. Same area possibly, but heavy surface winds here. Like anything in that red is pretty much toast and significant damage. Anything in the yellow, and I'm guessing as it makes its path up like this, is what most of them do, that everything in this area here is going to experience significant flooding. Rivers are going to run over their banks. Houses are going to be destroyed. People are going to be just devastated when it comes through here. And let's see what the storm surge is doing on this. There you are. That's a predicted storm surge. That's where it's going to push all the water inland. This is the line here of the coast, and everywhere it's orange is everywhere it's going to break. And it's going to go over, and that's what we're talking. That's 50 miles inland. Here's potential rainfall. Dark purple over 20 inches. So right here, the entire coast of Texas, you might as well say 20 plus inches of rain, the entire coast. Let's see the tornado potential. Look at that. The whole area is under a severe tornado watch. Valid until 8/26/2017. Hurricane Harvey related watch issued on the 25th. So there you are, my friends. This is going to be one to be put in the books and to remember, and I hope everybody's ready for this down there and has moved out and was prepared like they should all be, because they know this comes every 10, 12, 14 years. You get a real nasty one like this. Everybody should have been ready. So I hope everybody to be well. I hope you were prepared, and God bless.